Okay, you know these doodads that go into the bifold doors, closets and laundry rooms, whatnot. Well, what happens is they waller out the door, because these doors nowadays are MDF. So what I've done is I've got a piece of 1/2 square tubing. You can get it at Home Depot, wherever. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the door, and then we're going to cut a little bit smaller hole than what the diameter of this square tubing is. Okay, you can see this is walled out. This is going to go in here. We're going to drill a hole just a hair undersized, which is 11/32, might be 5/8. Right. Oh boy, this is nice and solid. And see, these two ears keep that thing from there. How about them apples? Now, this is that 1/2 square tubing, and what I've got to do is I've got to make a couple of ears, so we're going to put a couple of saw cuts across here. I think my vise is getting loose. Got to break a couple of these off. Could just leave them over. And then cut it 2 or 3 inches long. And then this goes in the door.